I gotta show alert TM. Look what is going on. You see, these scorpions are just stuck. They have nowhere to go, nowhere to... They won't jump anymore, they won't move around. Nothing now. You go up here, mantises are the same thing. Oh my god. Okay, that was cringe. That was weird. Look, the cave monsters are probably the same thing as well. Yeah, they're just not moving. I can finally kill them. Where's the other cavey? There. Kill it. Good. Now, let's go take a look at the ant challenge. To find the biggest thing. The biggest, weirdest thing in Beasts from History. They're dead. They're just dead ants. They are just dead ants. You can just roam around this place like nothing. With ants being blown around like nothing. Or like they just got stung by a bee or something. Like, dead giant ant. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, so when is this game gonna get fixed? These meshes are destroyed. There's like a coconut crab as well. It's the same thing with coconut crab. The same jolly bee swarm coconut crab. It's just like, hi. Just stuck in there. And you can't even go in it. It'll just take you back to spawn. Wait, it used to teleport you back to spawn. I don't know what it's doing anymore now. Yeah, on it, fix this game, please. Love, love, love. Thanks for watching.